poop on that rug again. Don't go under me. Why does he like to go under me? Hey, hey. Let me just have a bite for old time's sake. Come on, Mom. Come on, Mom. Mikey, you got anything up there? I know it. Hello, shampoo, Mikey.
Kids are like, hell no.
Come on, Mom. Come on, just for old time's sake.